Check it out. I just got this in the mail. It is from Amazon. I'm really excited about it. This is all my free stuff that I got on Amazon. So I'm going to open it up and show you what's inside. So I got all this stuff on Amazon after a rebate. I'll order it on Amazon and then 35 days I get a check back in the mail for what I paid. All right, get this. This is all the stuff that I got. Some gummies. Pick it up. Some goji berries. This is toothpaste. Bamboo charcoal toothpaste. This is a 2-year calendar book or appointment book. Comes in a really nice container. I'll be showing a video of what it looks like later, so subscribe to my channel. Stephen wanted this. It's a posture corrector. I don't really understand the whole hype on this, but we'll check that out. And then this is because Stephen snores. I hate to say it, but we're gonna try that and see how that works. I'm gonna end up doing a video on all this stuff as I get my check back in the mail, so you can see that it actually works. If you want to go ahead and learn about how I'm doing this, I will have a link in the description box with, you'll go to the link and you'll put your email in there, and I made a video of exactly how I do it step by step, and also you'll get the link to the website. So I made it really easy for you guys. If you want to see my unboxing videos where when I get the check, I will show you that I got the check and what items came, like what items go with the check, where I got my money back. Subscribe to my channel and I'm going to be showing you guys that. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.